This is my little hot wire cutter. It's a scroll saw somebody gave to me, and I needed a stand, and I had some old speakers, so that's my stand. As you can see here, I have a adjustable power supply, just some old 110 extension cord that I put some XT60s on, and you can kind of see the wiring. It splits, and one side goes there and the other side goes down there. This is steel fishing wire, 7-strand, 90-pound test, and I just have it kind of knotted onto some little control rod. And the nice thing about this is when you adjust this, it basically opens and closes it, so you can close it, put them on, and then tighten that up so it's pretty rigid, you know, so that works out pretty good. And then this still does move up and down, so you can kind of give yourself more area if you need. This tilts if you want it. I mean, it's a scroll saw, which is really rigid, which is what I was looking for. So now let's I'll show how I do cutting. So first we will turn it on. That's about what I'm cooking at, 2.4 volts, 5.2 amps, and it's pretty hot, but you know, works pretty good. Nice flat surface. Whoops. Let's grab that. And there it is. Works pretty good. So, old scroll saw converted to a hot wire cutter. Works great.